Alright, it's your last potato. I'm back. You know, I got Metamoon Prime inside of Fred Meyers right here. Let's go. I got a new cameraman too, but okay, better lighting over here. So let's try it. Metamoon Prime. I'm helping out that guy KSI again. It smells like grape. Nah, it smells like, I can't get the name of it. I know what it smells like. It smells like that grape lolly, you know? Let's give it a big old test out here. No, this is actually my favorite. It's not bad. It tastes like grape, which I might do a video on soon, but it tastes like grape Metamoon Prime, or it tastes like a grape grape lolly. Alright. What's it say? It's in here. Water. Vegetable juice, fruit flavor, and vegetable. I don't say pure flavors in here, but it's actually really good. You know, it tastes like a blueberry. It tastes like a sugary cough syrup. But it's really got some say
Show the calories.
Well, it actually wasn't bad.
Metamoon.